easy. You understand? Zvafanira kuti inini personally ina music yawingi.
Why?
Why? Apart from why?
But who doesn't listen to Wingy D?
I don't listen to Wingy D's music.
Why?
Why? I see most. What why? Can I discuss foreign music Wingy D? As real good ear as an individual and foreign. And as real good ear hagoni. Kusafari music. Nekugona kwemunhu zvintu zvakasiyana. Munhu anenge achitogona. Zvakaita line music. Munhu atodi kumuona. But anenge achiti the world is greatest. Ronaldo unomuona. Munhu atomufariri. Atooni kunzi Ronaldo atapabhora kutotarisana. Because why? As Ronaldo agona. But awumufariri. Ndikupa example. It's just an example. Even Japreza. Ndokona ngasikatotere music yaJapreza. Ndotokutaurira. Ndozenzwa maybe by ndotoridzwa wandira. But as Ronaldo agona. Anenge achigona. As in and I say, and foreign music. So it was the same thing about Oriana. Kusazikano name and as root akatangira ipa. Papa stanga music. The so zoro munga and taka kuzokuza music yake after mom's end song and with a hit song. In another munanga hit song like let's say what the last week of fight hit song, fight and be and it as root akatanga last week. Maybe didn't get a song 800.